When I was younger, I couldn't stand silence. The moment the room went quiet, I'd reach for my phone, the TV, anything to fill the space. It felt like silence was waiting to expose something I didn't want to face. But what if the silence wasn't empty? What if it was simply holding the truth we keep avoiding? We live surrounded by noise. Notifications, opinions, conversations that never end. We confuse constant stimulation with connection. But the more we fill our days with noise, the further we drift from ourselves. We think we're escaping loneliness, but we're only feeding it. When we're finally alone, the noise fades. And suddenly, we hear the voice we've been avoiding. The one that whispers, "Who are you?" when no one's watching. It's not loneliness we fear. It's meeting ourselves without disguise. One day, I stopped running. I sat in the silence, and it didn't destroy me. It held me. It showed me how much of my life had been spent escaping myself. And in that stillness, I began to remember who I was before the noise. Solitude isn't a punishment. It's a return, a remembering. When you learn to be alone, you realize you are never truly lonely. Because silence, when embraced, becomes a mirror that reflects your soul, not your absence. When you stop needing the world to fill your silence, you start hearing something deeper. A quiet strength that doesn't depend on approval. That's the gift hidden inside loneliness. It teaches you to belong to yourself. So, when the silence comes again, Don't run from it. Sit. Listen. Because sometimes the voice you've been searching for has been waiting in the quiet all along.